Hey y'all, it's your girl Sheena with sheisfab. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Sheena and she does all the things. If you're an oldie but a goodie, hey girl, hey girl, hey, you know how we do. So today's video is a home decor haul. Yes, I know. It's been a while. Please don't come for your girl, but listen, life be life and sis, but I'm back, okay? So tell a friend to tell a friend, she's back. So if you want to see what I've been picking up home decor related, just keep watching. All right guys, so let's go ahead and get into what I've been picking up. So it is time for me to start decorating. It's been a while, I know, but I need to start putting some more of Sheena touches on things, okay? My style, if you're not new here, I am a bohemian girl at heart. I love color, hence the lip. Now, if anybody is asking, if you are new here, my lip is by Too Faced. It is called It's Happening, and it's my all-time favorite, hands down, lipstick of all time, okay? Not sponsored, but Too Faced, sponsor your girl. Listen, I be putting the girls on when it comes to the lippy, okay? Anyway, I am a bohemian slash modern maximalista. Ain't nothing minimalista about me, okay? With a touch of glam. That is just my style. I absolutely love color. I love to play with textures. I love to just incorporate really fun, bold, bright things. I'm not a huge pattern girl, especially when it comes to clothing, but your girl will definitely wear some color, okay? I love color. I am definitely into neutrals, but I love to play with color. So I've picked up quite a few items. It's not a big haul, but it's a good start. So trying to see what should we get started with, because child, everything is just everywhere. Everything is just everywhere. Let's go ahead and get started with the coffee table book. I have always been a lover of coffee table books. Some years ago, I did a video. If I can find the video, I will link it. I DIY'd some coffee table books. It got a lot of views. A lot of y'all loved it. A lot of y'all made y'all's own coffee table books and commented and told me that this video really helped you make your own coffee table books. So yeah, when I was in Home Goods the other day, I was like, I need that. I need that in my life. So the first book is the Chanel coffee table book. Now, if you know anything about me, child, you know I am a lover of all things Chanelica. Yes, I call her Chanelica. I gotta add my own little twist to things. Now, don't come around here judging if you knew. Her name is Chanelica, okay? Yes, so this is the Collections and Creations. This book is by, I think it's Danielle Bott. There's a little, you know, that little hyphen or whatever it is above the E. So I hope I'm saying that right. But anyway, beautiful coffee table book. I do plan on getting one of the coffee table book holders that has gone essentially viral on TikTok and on YouTube, where the book opens like this and you have it displayed on your coffee table book. I mean, you have it displayed on your coffee table. That is the goal, because there is just so much goodness in this book. So much goodness, and I cannot wait to showcase it. So yeah, this is the first book that I picked up. I did get her from Home Goods and she was $29.99. And then I just picked up an oldie but goodie. Everybody and their mama that's into home decor has this book. It is the Minimalista book from Amazon. Ain't nothing minimalista about me. I think I already said that. But this is a good coffee table book, because this is how, I know everything's backwards. I am recording on my phone, so sorry about that. But this is a good layering book. Now I would not layer it with the Chanel, but this is how it would look when you layer it with another book. So this book was from Amazon. Like I said, a great way to decorate at a discount, because I'm all about budget, okay? We're not breaking the budget. We're not going without, taking care of our responsibilities to put our home together. And one of the ways that I do that is I thrift. I am a thrifter by heart. I love to thrift. Now I just recently did it, but before finding these items, I hadn't thrifted in quite some time. Just hadn't had time, but anyway, I did today. So the key to getting good books for decor is finding books with a cover. And when you remove the cover, this is what they look like. I already took the covers off. All 3 of these books had covers on them. Now you want to make sure that you remove the cover while you're in the thrift store, because not all books underneath the cover are black. Okay? Not all books underneath the cover are black. So make sure you are taking home a black book or a book of your color choice, because they do come in blue. They come in all colors, obviously. Anyway, this is how I would style these. I would style them facing this way with a really nice book end, or you can style it this way and then put something on top of it. Now, if you want to show the writing on the side, this is also a really good way to style the books. But like I said, I bought them to showcase them this way on the bookshelf. These books were very, very inexpensive. I think the most expensive one was like $2.99. So I did get these from the Goodwill. Okay. Now, another inexpensive way to style your home is with pictures and picture frames. So I did pick up some picture frames from Home Goods. They were both on clearance. So the first one is, so this is it's 3. Or is it 3? Child, it says 3, but it's only 2 in here. 3 sets. Oh, okay. I gotta take well, maybe that's why it was on clearance. So it was marked down from $24.99 to $10. Okay, I'm all right. Yeah, I'm sure that's why it was marked down. But so anyway, it's a 12 by 12 frame, but it's matted with an 8 by 8 inch mat. So of course you can take the mat out if you want to use the 12 by 12 frame, but this was on clearance at Home Goods for $10. I understand why it was $10 now, because there's a whole frame missing. I just realized that. But this is somewhat of the look that I'm going for. Y'all see the gallery wall? Okay. And then I picked up, this one was on clearance from $12.99 to $7. And this is a 16 by 16 matted to an 8 by 10. So my plan for these is I'm going to add pictures of beautiful, fabulous Black women, okay? Beyonce, I wanna do Diana Ross. I love Diana Ross, y'all. Diana Ross. Maybe Naomi Campbell, maybe Tracy Ellis Ross. I'm not sure. I'm still on the hunt for some more Black frames, but that is the plan. That is what I want my gallery wall. I might want to do like 3 this size going down one way, and then maybe up top some bigger ones. So yeah, that is the plan. Of course, you can get those photos off of Pinterest. You can screenshot them on your phone, send them to CVS, and CVS will print them right out. I've done it before. So, but that is the goal. And I'm thinking I'm going to do all black and white photos in the black and white frames. So, all right. What else we got? I'm going to show you the other piece that I got from Target. All right, so I picked this up from Target. It was on clearance. It is by Threshold. I love the texture on this. I love the uniqueness, the shape. Now, I love the color, but I think for what I'm looking to do, I'm going to spray paint this black, Now, guys, do not pass up decor items that you can change. So basically what I'm saying is, when you are out shopping, you have to think outside of the box. Like, you have to have a creative mind. I know everyone is not a creative, I understand that, but at least try. Like, if I didn't look at this and say, I love it, but I don't like the color, and just, you know, and just keep moving, but instead, I think I said that wrong. I looked at this and I said, I love it, but I don't like the color, but I can spray paint it. Now, if I wasn't thinking outside the box, I would have just left it there. I would have been like, don't like the color. Oh well, I'm gonna leave it on the shelf for $12.50. Why? No, guys, think outside the box. Even if you have to like Google how to change the color or something. Of course, spray paint. You can do, what is the other thing? Paper mache. I mean, there's so many creative ways you can make this your zhuzh. If you just don't like the piece, then I get it. But if this is something that you like and color is stopping you from buying it, girl, you better get you a can of spray paint and just spray paint away, okay? So that is my plan. I plan to spray paint this black. Again, this is from Target. It is by Threshold, and it was on clearance. Not quite sure if I'll be able to link this because it is a clearance item, but I'll try. So the next item I picked up from the Goodwill. So I have been watching a lot of home decor videos, and there's a theme that I've been seeing in a lot of videos. A lot of the girls have been doing DIY canvases and putting them on the walls. They've been using the speckle, right? So I was just perusing in Goodwill like I do, okay? And this is what your girl found. Isn't she pretty? So this was only $9.99. Now, I'm not quite sure if this is an actual DIY piece, because look at the frame on the back, guys. So this is the frame. I think this is hardware. I have not opened it to see. Let's see what it is. Let's see what it is. Because they do, yeah. Is this to hang it, y'all? I don't know what these are. Yeah, somebody in the comments tell me what these are. But yeah, so this was on the back of them. But again, either way, I love it. I had just said that I was going to do one of these myself, because again, everybody has one of these in their home, and then they have the spotlight or the painting, you know, the light that goes above the painting. I'm gonna do that too. Yeah, so I just happened to find it in the Goodwill. Now, my plan is to make it all one color, because as you can see, the canvas is white, and the speckle, this is like an off-white. My plan is to either spray paint it or paint it in a glossy white. So yeah, I did that, huh? I did that. Now, another tip. Before you move, Cookie, before you start home decor shopping, then this is just a tip, okay? First, find out what your style is, what you're looking at. I looked at a lot of videos. Now, I already know my style, but I wanted to see what's out there, what the girls are doing, what's going on. Not that I want my house to look like anybody else's house, but in order to get inspired, to get inspiration, I watch a lot of YouTube videos. I look at Pinterest, and that is how I saw that this is popular, okay? This is popular. I absolutely love a good old nasty DIY. I was gonna do one myself, but girl, I don't have to. So watch videos, get inspired, look at Pinterest, look at some blogs. I don't know any home decor blogs. My main go-tos are YouTube and Pinterest. So yeah, get inspired, get out there, and then find, you know, what you love. All right, so the next piece is for my beloved doggy. Hey, Cookie. Child, she is my shadow. Shadow, she is just down here. Yes, I'm talking about you. She like, Mama, why you talking about me? Cause you all up in my business. So, you wanna say hi? Come on, come say hi, come here. Come say hi to people, come on. Say hi, Cookie. Cookie. Say hi. Say hi. Say hey. Cookie older. I want no kiss. All right, so she had these cute little pink and white bowls that I got from Walmart. I broke one trying to wash it. So I just went ahead and got her this. This is so cute, guys. Now I did pick this up from Home Goods. It was $16.99. Mama, you're gonna use this today. Mama gonna wash this out, take the price off. I love the little wood, and the little feet. I love this for you, Cookie. Yeah, $16.99 at Home Goods, and I love the gray bowls because of course it is gonna go fit right in with my home decor. And I think you could probably change these out for, you know, different bowls if you need to. But yeah, Home Goods, $16.99. Okay, so the last two pieces are from Target, and they're my favorite. So I picked up some more pictures. Oh, these are so pretty. So this is the first one. It came in a set of 2. Let me show you. Can you see that down there? So it's 2 of them. So this is the one of the young man or boy. Oh, I love, love, love black heart. This is gonna be fire in here, okay? And then I picked up the one, well, it came with the other one, the one of the woman. So it is a 2-piece set. I will link it down below if anyone is interested, but she is gorgeous, y'all. Absolutely beautiful, stunning. I'm trying not to have the ring light in the picture. I'll get some close-ups of it for you guys. Stunning. Y'all, look at those cheekbones and that melanin, baby. Oh, everything. If I could have just had 2 of these. Now he cute too. Now don't get it twisted. But y'all, she is stunning. The hair wrap, the jewelry, the lips. Y'all, we are everything. Cookie, if you knock my camera over, yes, I love this. This brings me so much joy, so much joy. So I picked those up from Target. So yeah, guys, this is all that I have. I think it's quite a bit to get started with. Like I said, I do have 3 DIYs that I want to do this week. So you guys will be seeing that. I'm going to spray paint. I have a shelf in here. It's an old shelf from IKEA. I'm just gonna go over it with a matte black. I'm gonna spray paint the vase, and then I think I have a flower pot I wanna add some color to. So that's it, guys. What do you think? Let me know down in the comment which piece was your favorite. Yeah, if you've made it this far and you like my content, I hope you will consider subscribing. If you're an oldie but a goodie, girl, you know I love you. Thank y'all so much for your love and support. Your girl is back. I'm so happy to be back, okay? Y'all gonna be sick of me, okay? How the girls say it? Sick of me. So yeah, make sure your post notifications are on for future uploads. Give this video a big thumbs up. Share with a good sis. Of course, do all the things the other YouTubers tell you to do. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.